Hello everybody, today we're going to be recapping how I made $10,000 trading NQ. Here's a screenshot of my execution and let's get right into it. So coming into today, looking at the 4-hour chart, we see this 6 a.m. candle right here has a very large wick and doesn't really support expansion higher. So we wanted to let this candle close to see what it would close as. As we see here, it closes as a C2 candle, and the reason why it's a C2 is because this candle fails to close below the previous candle's wick that it had swept. So this is a reversal candle, and we could frame that this next candle is going to open up and trade higher towards the draw, which is our first step in the model. As we see before anything, we see that this candle reverses and we have a draw to trade towards. So coming and realigning that 4-hour candle, we come to the 1 hour to see if we get any cracks in correlation to trade NQ higher. At this point in time, YM had actually taken this high, so we were framing an SMT break trade. So what we needed for that was a strength switch between NQ and YM, which we actually got here at the 9 a.m. candle's closure. As we see here at 9 a.m., we get this up close candle on NQ with a very strong reversal, and we actually had a down close candle on YM while it's retracing into a gap. So we get this strength switch PSP sequence. We also get this C2 closure, and we wanted to see 10 a.m. open low and continue higher and have a high close towards the draw liquidity. So coming into our entry time frame, we wanted to see if we could actually participate within this expansion leg higher to this open draw. So as we see here at 10 a.m., we open lower towards a 3-minute gap. We put our stop here at the low of this 3-minute gap, targeting that draw we spoke about earlier, which is around 2R to that high. As we see here, the reason why you could enter a little bit higher into the range is because your stop loss is still in discount. And how would you measure your discount range here? Well, you measure the low of the reversal to the high, to the current high of the price leg that you're trading. And as we see, my stop loss was right at EQ of the range, which should be protected, right? As then we saw later, we get this V shape out of there. We get this continuation SysD higher. And then we get the final push up to the draw, which was our full TP, totaling in around $700 per account. If you're interested in learning more about how I trade, like, comment, and subscribe below so I can keep pushing out content like this. And thank you for watching.